Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome to parkvideo.tv. In this video I am going to discuss classification of carbohydrates. There are many ways to classify carbohydrates. That's why we say that there is no satisfactory classification of carbohydrates, but generally we classify carbohydrates into three types: monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. Okay, in this video we will discuss monosaccharides. Okay, monosaccharides, its characteristics, its examples, okay, its importance, etc. will be discussed in this video. So let's start discussing our main topic, that is monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are the simplest sugars. Okay, if someone asks you people that which carbohydrates are the simplest ones, then your answer must be monosaccharides. Okay, they range from carbon 3 to carbon 7. Okay, the least number of carbon atoms required for monosaccharides are 3, that is for Tetrosis. Okay, and maximum number of carbon atoms in monosaccharides are 7, that are for Hexoses. Okay, the general formula for monosaccharides is CH2O taken N. Okay, where N is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. Okay, besides these numbers, N can't have any value. Okay, if N is equal to 3, then the monosaccharide will be triose. Okay, and N is equal to 4 for tetrosis, N is equal to 5 for pentosis, 6 for hexoses, and it's 7 for heptosis. Okay, the most abundant and the most important monosaccharides are hexoses. Okay, with 6 value of N. These are the hexoses. Okay, that are the most important and the most important monosaccharides. And among the hexoses, the most important hexose is glucose. Okay, glucose is the most important hexose. Okay, if we discuss tetrosis, these are rare ones. Okay, these are in rare quantity, and these are found in some bacteria. Okay, tetrosis are found in bacteria. This is also a point must be remembered. In case of monosaccharides, as these are the carbohydrates, there must be aldo or the keto group. Okay, the monosaccharides with aldo sugar are called aldehyde group are called aldo sugars, while the monosaccharides with keto group are called keto sugars. Okay, now we discuss some names of monosaccharides and their aldo and ketonic forms. For 3 carbon, the general name is triosis. Okay, in aldo form, 3 carbon containing monosaccharide is glycerose, and the glycerose is second name for glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde is a triose. Okay, and its ketonic form, when keto group is found in 3 carbon monosaccharide, then it is called dihydroxyacetone. If we see tetrosis, the aldo form of tetrosis is ethyrose, while ketonic form is ethyrulose. ठीक है, ethyrulose. अच्छा, next is pentose. The aldehydic form of pentose is ribose, while for ketonic it is called ribulose. Okay, next monosaccharide is hexose. its name for aldo group is glucose, while that of ketonic group is fructose. Next is heptosis. uh, aldo form for heptosis is glucoheptose, and ketonic form is pseudoheptulose. Okay. And an important point to be discussed is that both aldo group as well as ketonic group are collectively called carbonyl compounds. Okay, means carbonyl compound is a broad term in which aldo group and ketonic group are both included. Okay, next if we see nomenclature of monosaccharides, uh, there is a rule uh, by using that monosaccharides are named. Okay. One is the generic name for monosaccharides, and the second one is uh, functional group. Okay. First we write functional group, and then to the right side is general name, means generic name, and both when combined together it becomes the name for a monosaccharide. Okay. For example, glucose is aldo sugar, so its functional group is aldo. We will write aldo here, and its generic name is hexose because it has 6 number of carbon atoms, so its name will become aldo hexose. Okay. Next if we discuss fructose, in case of fructose, functional group is keto group, and uh, as it has 6 number of carbon atoms, so it is hexose, so its full name will become ketohexose. Okay. Next is aldotriose. It is for glyceraldehyde because in glyceraldehyde aldo group is formed, aldo functional group is found, and 3 carbon atoms are part of glyceraldehyde, so its name is uh, aldotriose. That is the combination of functional group and generic name. Okay. Next we discuss characteristics of monosaccharides. The first one is these are the white crystalline solids. These are easily soluble in water. Okay, because solubility is inversely proportional to number of carbon atoms. As the number of carbon atoms increase, solubility decreases, or vice versa, because monosaccharides have the least number of carbon atoms as compared to other carbohydrates. So these are the most soluble carbohydrates as compared to oligosaccharides and polysaccharides, because they are more complex, have more number of carbon atoms, and less soluble in water, but monosaccharides are more soluble in water. Okay. These are also the most sweetest one carbohydrates as compared to both other groups, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. And the most important thing to be discussed is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is the phenomena for complex compounds. It is not related to the simple compounds, as monosaccharides are the simple ones, so they cannot be hydrolyzed. So hydrolysis uh, is the breakdown of a molecule in the presence of water. Okay. In the presence of water, when something is broken down into its components, then it is called hydrolysis. Okay, इसे hydrolysis कहते हैं. In next lecture we will discuss oligosaccharides, its nomenclature and its characteristics, and we will also discuss some examples of oligosaccharides. Thank you so much for watching my lecture. Inshallah, see you soon in the next lecture. Thank you so much.